I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using an admin account and targeting the Windows Update service directly. Open services via Start, find WiiWaServe, and click Stop. This halts downloads immediately. Once stopped, set Startup Type to Disabled so Windows won't restart it on boot. Make sure to pause any active settings update and security Windows Update operations. This prevents race conditions. These steps stop the engine quickly while you prepare the persistent changes that follow, so proceed to the next actions now. Once the service is disabled, you must prevent scheduled tasks and delivery components from re-enabling it. Open Task Scheduler and disable Update Orchestrator and any Microsoft/Windows/Windows Update tasks. That stops automatic triggers. Then rename C/Windows/Software Distribution and C/Windows/Delivery Optimization to stop existing downloads. Windows will recreate them only if the service runs. Finally, set your network as metered or create an outbound firewall rule to block Windows Update endpoints. This adds a network-level barrier, making the change more resilient. To finish, lock down the change so updates don't return unexpectedly. Apply restrictive NTFS permissions on the Windows Update service files or use local security policy to deny service changes. Then reboot and confirm WiiWaServe stays disabled and settings shows no active downloads. Make sure Delivery Optimization stays renamed. If updates resume, rerun the stop steps, redisable Update Orchestrator, and inspect firewall rules, often a single scheduled task or a firewall exception.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.